What if I told you that there's a wood so rare, it's worth more than gold? Or a timber that holds the secrets of ancient shipwrecks, preserved for centuries beneath the waves? Get ready! Because today we're diving deep into the world of the rarest, most expensive, and most legendary woods on the planet. You might think you know wood, but you've never seen anything like this. Let's start with a true legend, Lignum Vitae. Its name means wood of life, and for centuries it was believed to have incredible medicinal properties. But that's not what makes it so special. This wood is one of the densest and hardest in the world. So dense, it sinks in water. Its natural oils make it self-lubricating, which is why it was used for propeller shaft bearings on ships and even submarines, including the world's first nuclear-powered sub. Due to over-harvesting, it's now critically endangered, making any piece you find a priceless piece of natural engineering. Next, we journey to the heart of Africa to find African blackwood. Many people mistake it for ebony, but this wood is even rarer and more valuable. It's so dense and stable that it is the top choice for professional-grade musical instruments like clarinets and oboes. Imagine the beautiful music you hear from an orchestra might be coming from a wood that takes over 60 years to mature. Its jet black color is stunning, but its scarcity means we have to be incredibly careful with how it's sourced. Now for something truly mystical, bog oak. This isn't a species of tree, but rather an ancient oak that has been buried in peat bogs for thousands of years. Cut off from oxygen, the wood undergoes a transformation. Minerals and tannins in the bog slowly stain the wood, turning it from a light brown to a deep, dark black. The longer it's been buried, the darker and more valuable it becomes. Each piece of bog oak is a time capsule, with some specimens dating back over 8,000 years. It's literally a piece of prehistory you can hold in your hand. And finally, the Holy Grail, agar wood, also known as oud. This is the stuff of legends. It forms when a specific type of tree, the Aquilaria, becomes infected with a particular mold. In response, the tree produces a dark, fragrant resin to protect itself. This resin-infused wood is agar wood, and its scent is one of the most complex and sought after in the world, used in luxury perfumes and incense for millennia. High-grade agar wood can fetch prices that are truly astronomical, easily surpassing the value of gold by weight. It's a natural wonder born from a fight for survival. From self-lubricating sea legends to prehistoric treasures and fragrant resins worth a fortune, these woods are more than just materials. They're stories. Stories of time, nature, and human history. If you were as fascinated by this journey as I was, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.